Hello and welcome to CSONS at Home. Okay, so for the start of this week we're going for a bit of a meze kind of feel, lots of dips and flatbreads. So we've got some of our flatbreads, like a beetroot and walnut dip, some red pepper and almond, and some fava bean and Carlin pea. Then we've got some pickles, pickled courgette and cucumber from Hare Hill, and some aubergine as well, some marinated aubergine, and then some tomatoes and olives. So first step, just gonna get the flatbread warm, so empty that onto a baking tray. Give it a little drizzle of the olive oil from the tomatoes and olives. Okay, so it's going in the oven about 180, or probably as long as it takes to plate everything else up. So you could have this as a sharing plate and just put it all on one plate, but I'm going to do it individually for now. So I'll start with my beetroot and walnut. A good amount on the spoon. Okay, great. And then I'll do the fava bean the same way. This batch of the red pepper is a bit runnier than I was intending, so yours will probably look a little bit different. I'll go in my pickles. You can just put them where you like, really, but there's 3 of them, and there's 3 piles of sauce, so I'm going to dot them around them. And then we got just watch out for the stones in the olives, there might be some in there. And finally, piece of this lovely aubergine, which will hopefully be from Hare Hill. We did have some last time. Put that in there. And just in there. Okay, then I'll take that and pour that in there. Right. We'll make a little final sort of dressing over the aubergine, just around the plate. Flatbreads have taken a little bit of colour. I should think are pretty much ready to go. Okay. And there we go.